guys, and welcome back to another vlogging video. Hi guys, welcome back to my video, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to vlogging. This video I think is going up like in the beginning of vlogging. So happy vlogging to everybody. I hope you're as excited as I am. If you're wondering why I look like this, it's because I've just filmed a Michael Myers makeup tutorial that will be going up on Friday. So if you want to see how I got this look, I know it's not the best, but if you want to see how I got this look, it will be up on Friday. Today's video, however, is an NTN haul. It is the Nail Tech Network haul alongside alongside Queen of Decals as well. I ordered some Queen of Decals from Nail Tech Network. nailtechnetwork.co.uk, and you can get Queen of decals on there. I also have a 6% off code. It's in the description box down below. It's just IdleGirl in capitals. And let's get into the haul and see what I got. I got quite a lot of glam and glitz and I'm really excited. So let's get into it. The first thing I'm gonna pick up is 2 products from Glitterbels. Now, I've already got the gold, the liquid gold, and I am obsessed with it. It is so nice. I love it. So I decided to get the carbon black. Oops, where are we? The light is blinding. So this is the carbon black, and it's just a black. And then this is Glitterbels Glass Slippers, which is a clear. Now, I did get a little kit. It was an autumn kit. But I can't 100% remember what in this collection is from that kit and what I ordered myself. I think this was from the kit, and I think the black was from the kit, and then I will show you the next 3 colours. Oh, there's one missing. Okay, so there is one missing and I don't know where it's gone, but I definitely know that there was 3 of these. Where the heck has it gone? This is what I get for playing before doing a haul video, but I had to wait for my Halloween background to be ready and I couldn't wait to play, so I'm really sorry you guys. But it came with 3 colours. One of them is like a glittery one. So we've got Autumn and Tsunami, which is these 2. This is a gorgeous red, you guys. It's so nice and shimmery. So Autumn and Tsunami, and then there was another one, but I don't know where it's gone. And if I don't find it, I'll be very angry. I will be able to find it. It will be somewhere. I'm just not sure where. So moving on, I also think that these came with this kit. And these are so cool. I cannot wait to try it and play with these. But these are just like some like leaves that you can encapsulate. And if you know me, you know that I love to encapsulate stuff. I've also got some foils. Very, very pretty. They're just like, I think they're like angel paper sort of. I haven't used angel paper before, but I love the way that it looks encapsulated. And we've also got some glitters, which of course I'm going to be getting out and showing you. I love my glitters, as you guys know. This is so nice. This is latte. I cannot wait to have a play with that, you guys. It's like a matte. It's like a matte, but I think it's got some glitter bits in it, and it's like a multi-cut, which are my favourite glitters. I love multi-cuts. And then we've also got Laser Lights and Rosé, which are also beautiful. I'm now covered in glitter though, but that's fine. We love being covered in glitter. Live for the glitter. Look at that Laser Lights. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to play with these. I'm so excited. I want to play right now. This is why I've lost one, because I had a play, and what would I have done with it? What would it be? Anyway, moving on. So after that, I wanted to get some of the Glam and Glitz Glow powders, basically. And I'm actually really pleased with the ones that I ended up getting. Is there one of these missing and all? I know it's there. I'm actually really pleased with the ones that I ended up getting. Obviously, I just looked online at them and I kind of chose from what I saw online. So let's go through the non-glittery ones. So I got 2 pinks, which are similar. They do look quite similar, but one's got like a shimmer in it, and then they go totally different colours when they glow in the dark. So we've got Electric Love. Let me just move a bit closer for you guys. Which is like a shimmery pink that goes into like a purpley colour. And then we've got Rekindle That Spark, which is like a not shimmery pink that goes into red. And then that's just what they look like next to each other. So they do look quite similar next to each other, but when they glow completely different. And then one of them is like shimmery and the other one's just like, I think, just a normal matte plain one. So I'm really excited to try these out. Obviously I love everything pink. So yeah, they're probably going to get used quite a lot. Now this one looks so nice as well. Is this one a shimmery one? No. So I've now got Infrared and Ignite. And it just shows you there like, so Ignite is like kind of an orangey colour that goes green. And Infrared is like a dark red that goes into like an orange as it glows. So that's what they look like. And that's what they would look like on your nails until like it's dark and then they would glow. I think I also thought in my head like Halloween, glowing things would be fun for Halloween nails. So I think that might be what I was thinking in my head. I bought quite a few. I did buy quite a few. So next up I will show you these two. So this one I'm really excited about, and I'm going to be doing this on my nails next because I'm going to have black and white nails for a dress that I'm wearing. Cannot wait. And this is just a white, and I've already like swatched it. I haven't seen it glow, but I've seen it like as it is as a white. And it's really, really pretty. I really like this for a white. And then it glows into this like purpley, purpley colour. So in this video, I'm not going to show you them glowing, or this isn't like a swatch video, it's just a haul. But if you guys wanted to see a video where I do like swatches of them as they are and then glowing in the dark, then let me know and I can do that for you guys. But they will be getting used in quite a few sets, and I'll try and show you them in the dark as well when I do that. So this one is called Halo, and this looks like, let me look inside. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is like, this is like a more of a light kind of greeny glittery one, and then in the dark it glows into more of a bright greeny glitter, if that makes sense. I hope that does make sense for you guys. So that's what that one looks like. Then I've also got these two, which is the one, okay. So Shooting Star, oh that one looks so nice. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this one, which is Shooting Star, I have had a little play with. As it is gorgeous. It is a gorgeous gold glitter. It's beautiful, I love it. Haven't seen it glowing in the dark, but then it goes into like a green glitter. So this one I think would be perfect for Christmas when it's gold and when it's green, like hello, gold and green for Christmas. So that I am really excited to use. It is beautiful. And this one, if you actually look at it here, this one looks so nice. This is called Stardust, but it's got like silvers and pinks and stuff in it, and then it glitters into more of like purpley bluey glitters in the glow in the dark. Can you see how excited I am? I'm too excited. But so that's what that looks like, and I just can't wait to try them all. Like I said, if you guys do want to see swatches, then please do let me know and I will show you swatches. Now you might be thinking this isn't really that Halloweeny. However, I have some decals here from Queen of Decals from Nail Tech Network, and these are Halloweeny. So I'm going to show you what I've got. I'm super excited, and I'm going to be using these on myself pretty soon. I haven't 100% decided which ones yet. Where's the other Hocus Pocus one gone? Honestly, I'm absolutely frigging useless. What's going on? What's actually going on? It was just there. So I am super excited to try these out. They're so cute. So I'm going to show you them all. There's not that many, so I definitely can show you them all. So this is a Hocus Pocus like cartoony one. And it's got like the witches, it's got all of the witches, pumpkin, cauldron, broomsticks, it's even got a book! It's even got the book in it. Black flame candle, all of that jazz. I love it, I'm so excited. I think these are the ones I'm going to have on myself. I'm so excited. Now I've also got some Skeleton Crew ones, which you can just see there. They're like Jack Skeleton and loads of his friends, like other people from the film. Coraline, I actually love this movie. Obviously I love The Nightmare Before Christmas, But I wasn't that into the Corpse Bride, and then when Coraline came along, I really, really like Coraline, I don't know why. But yeah, so we've got some cute little Coraline ones there. We've also got some other Hocus Pocus ones here. These are more like realistic ones. Maybe I'll use these ones. I don't know, you guys. I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet. But I will be using, I'm pretty much planning on using all of these in a set of nails. I'm just not sure exactly which ones are going to be on me. But I am hoping to get a video out this month with nearly all of these. Definitely the Hocus Pocus and the Night Before Christmas and all that. So this is, I'm not actually sure about this one. This is Frankenweenie, which I haven't seen that one, so I'm not too sure about this one. And then this one is Jack, Sally and Friends. So this is also really cute. I just love these. They're so good, and they're going to look so good on like sets of nails for Halloween and stuff. These would be really good if you, I don't personally do many clients, but if you're someone who does a lot of clients, these would be really good to have in, because I bet you anything your clients are going to be like, yes, give me some of that, give me some of that. And obviously you can charge like a good price for it as well. So is that everything? I think that's, oh no wait, one last thing came in the set. It's just another Kiara Sky no wipe top coat. I already have one of these, but I really like them, so whenever they're in sets I like to get them because I do like to have them. So now I've got a backup, so that's awesome. So yeah, I think that's everything that I got in this haul for you guys. It's not a massive one, but I do feel like I got quite a lot of powders. I do have quite a lot of Glam and Glitz now, so I'm really excited to get playing. So if you enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up. If you're new here and you're not already subscribed, then please do hit that subscribe button, because I would love for you to stick around. Every day throughout October we will be having Halloween videos. It's called Vlogoween and I'm super excited about it. So I hope you guys are too. This is one of the first videos that's going up, so hopefully you guys will stick around and watch all the rest of them. If you want to get yourself some purchases from Nail Tech Network, the link is in the description box down below, along with my discount code as well. You can head over there, you can get all sorts of stuff. There's so much stuff on the website as well, like not just this, there's all sorts of stuff on the website. This is just what I could afford to buy at the moment. Honestly, I would spend so much money if I could. Ooh, okay. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!